Here's a quick before-after test you'll feel instantly. Turn the lights off. Stand by a window at noon. Take a photo. Now, same shot. Angle your face toward the window. Add a small LED. Pop a flash through a softbox. Side by side. The lit version wins every time. Why? Because light isn't extra. Light is the image. Cameras don't capture subjects. They capture light bouncing off subjects. When you control that light, you control the story. First, separation. Without light, your subject melts into the background. A simple rim light. A window edge. A bounced flash draws an outline and tells the viewer, "Look here." Second, detail and texture. Soft light from a big source, like clouds or a diffuser, wraps around skin and fabric. You get texture without harsh shadows. Hard light, like bare sun or an undiffused flash, adds punch and shape. Choose what your subject needs. Third, color accuracy. Mixed bulbs and dim rooms twist skin tones. Natural daylight or a balanced LED fixes that. Good light locks in accurate color so you're not fighting white balance in post. Fourth, noise and sharpness. More light means lower ISO, faster shutter, cleaner shots, and better autofocus. Starve the sensor and you get grain and motion blur. Fifth, mood. Flat light feels flat. A little direction, 45 degrees from above, or a backlight kiss adds drama, depth, and those clean catch lights in the eyes that make people look alive. Let me show you the quick tests. Test 1, window versus overhead. Stand under a ceiling light, raccoon eyes, harsh shadows. Step to a window, turn 45 degrees, instant glow, defined jawline, bright eyes. Test 2, bounce versus bare flash. Aim a flash straight on, flat, shiny hotspots. Bounce it off a white wall or ceiling, soft even, more natural. Test 3, backlight pop. Same scene, add a tiny light behind the subject, hair lights up, edges pop, background separates. Test 4, golden hour versus noon. Same outdoor spot. Noon is hard and contrasty. Golden hour is soft and dimensional. If you can't chase sunset, bring a diffuser or find open shade and add a fill. Rules of thumb I live by. Big source, Josh, soft light. Umbrellas, soft boxes, bouncing. Closer light, Dar, softer and brighter. Move it in, lower your power. One light to shape, one light to separate. Key plus rim is a cheat code. Eyes need catch lights. If you don't see them, raise or move your source. Natural or artificial? Use both. Natural light is free, beautiful, and consistent outdoors. Flash and studio lights are repeatable, controllable, and available at midnight. The goal isn't fancy gear, it's intentional light. So, highlight your subject every time. Even a phone flashlight bounced off a napkin beats dim nothing. Find the direction, soften it, add separation, and watch your photos and videos level up instantly. Before, after doesn't lie. No light, no subject. Great light. Great story. Go make the bright choice.